It's not made of chocolate, but it's a beautiful building. How about the wavy one in the second row you're looking at? This is called Aqua Tower. It's a high-end residence and
Because we're
hotel.
under the sea.
Each unit has
Columbus
its own unique
Drive.
balcony, which together makes the building look like waves of cascading water. Isn't that kind of cool? Now, this one is also designed by Keegan Games.
Shut your ass up.
She's done boat houses and all kinds of other stuff. Pretty famous person. Okay, eyes up, cameras up. We come under the bridge. See some beautiful stuff right in front of us. Let's get talking about that white building that's right in front of us.
It
See
is?
the one with the clock tower. Says noon. Is it noon? Yeah, I guess so. This is the Wrigley.
I have no clue.
Wrigley chewing gum.
Yep.
Okay.
I thought it was a
Now, Wrigley
1201.
building, early 1920s, Spanish Revival
lied.
is the name of that.
It's
style.
11:01.
It's modeled after a
It's
cathedral
101.
in Seville, Spain.
It's
Covered
5
with
a.m.
250,000 glazed terracotta tiles.
Glazed
Sort of
terracotta?
Like porcelain, but soft enough to get hand washed. Now,
Whoa,
our
why's your head
question,
Neo
because
there?
we got all these students on board, our question, and they're smart, right? The question is why? So, why were they building buildings that look like European cathedrals and palaces here in Chicago in the early 1920s? Well, it's because the young United States didn't yet know what our own style of beauty was. We were still copying and pasting beauty from Europe. It wasn't until later we came into our own, found our grooves. I recommend after the tour, get yourself down to Michigan Avenue and see the Wrigley Building. Now, Michigan Avenue, north of the river, is called the Magnificent Mile, the Magni Mile, for its magnificently low prices. Not really. But
Not really.
it's worth a walk of some
I lied.
stuff. A 12-minute walk south on Michigan Avenue from here will get you to Millennium Park. Now, there's a sculpture in Millennium Park, big chrome stainless steel thing. It's called Cloud Gate. People don't call it that. What do they call it? The Bean. Exactly, guys. See the Bean, girls? You see the Bean yet? You gotta see. You already did. Good. Next one in front of us, the Trump International Hotel and Tower. Spectacular building. It's the second tallest building in Chicago. It's a high-end residence and hotel, and it is a pretty good example of one of the architectural styles that we're going to talk quite a bit about today, called contextualism. You look